How to fix Play Store can't download, something went wrong on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store can't download, something went wrong on Android phone. First thing, just open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again. Now just click Google Play Store here and then click this one, permissions. Now you need to allow this one here, storage. Just check it and then go back. Now go to this one here, storage, and click clear cache and go back and then click force stop. Now just restart your phone and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe and see you in the next video.